Hi, hello, and welcome. It's me, Vignesh here, and this is your favorite V and Data channel. Today, we will be seeing what is classification in machine learning and what is a mathematical concept behind classification problem and what is logistic regression function and so on. For that, let's pass on to a video. As I told you before, today we will be seeing classification. We will be seeing what is classification today. We'll get a general idea about classification. Suppose yes or no. For a question, if you're answering like yes or no, it's called classification. For example, have you eaten? Yes or no. If yes, in the sense I had it. No, if it's no. Yes is one and no is zero. There can be two answers: yes or no. This is kind of classification problem. Okay. If yes is positive, yes, and no is negative zero. Zero is a negative value. One is a positive value. If a value is near to 1 is classified as 1, and if it is near to 0 it is classified as 0. Okay, this is general idea about classification. Examples of classification are we would have heard about tumor classification. Suppose for tumor, right, we are going to classify as benign or malignant. Benign is non-cancerous tumor. Malignant is cancerous tumor. Okay, benign is 0, malignant is 1. If we are classifying in this way, in a tumor as 0 or 1, if it is near to 0 it is benign and non-cancerous tumor, and if it is near to 1 or 1 it is malignant and is cancerous tumor. We will be classifying the y value with the help of some xi values. Okay, y is 1 is malignant and y is 0 means it's benign. Okay, it's a simple example for classification. Okay, as I told you, if y value is 0 or 1, okay, 0 is benign and 1 is malignant. Hypothesis will be as how we are going to predict y. What is the value of y is called the hypothesis. Okay, 0.5 h theta hypothesis is less than 0.5. It is 0, considered as 0. Okay, it will be classified as 0. If hypothesis is greater than 0.5, it will be classified as 1. It's near to 1. Okay, it will be in the range of 0 to 1. The y value will come in the value of 0 to 1. If it is if less than 0.5 it is classified as 0, and if it is greater than 0.5 it is classified as 1. 0 less than hypothesis less than 1. It will be greater than 0 and it will be less than 0. It will be less than 1. Greater than 0 and less than 1. The hypothesis will be in the range of that. Okay. With this we will predict the y value and we will classify accordingly. Okay. As I told you, 0 less than h of theta less than 1 is a logistic regression. Classification example is logistic regression. Okay, we'll be formulating in the way like as we have seen it before in the linear regression. Hypothesis h theta equal to theta transpose x. Okay, we'll be adding a logistic regression function g. We'll add that value for logistic regression, g of theta transpose x. Okay, for the g, right, g of something, g of z equal to 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus z. Okay, now g of z is this value, and we'll now formulate h of theta equal to 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus theta transpose x. It will be formatted like this. That is g of z. When we substitute that g of z value in the position of g of theta transpose x, we will substitute 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus theta transpose x is the final value of the hypothesis. It is a logistic regression function. Okay. Logistic regression or sigmoid function, both are the same. Okay, sigmoid or another name is logistic function. Both are the same. Sigmoid as well as logistic function is the same. It will be like zero point 0.5, 0, it's 1. The value in the V, like, it will start from 0 and it will be keep on rising. It will touch 0.5 in the mid axis and it will go to 1 and it will go till 1. That's it. G of z. That's a function g of z. Z axis. G of z. Now, if it is ranging from 0 to 0.5, it is a range, right? Automatically, the probability or the value will be considered as 0. If it is range from 0.5 to 1, it will be classified or probability of y will be 1. Suppose y equal to, it's predicted 0.7. 2 minus 7 is 0.7, right? The value probability is 70%. Y is equal to probability of 70%. So automatically the y value will be in the range 0.5 to 1, and it's in that way. So malignant tuber and y value is 1, and this is the classified and the probability is 1. This is a sigmoid function or logistic function. We'll be classifying in this way. Today we saw what is classification and what is logistic or sigmoid function, and what is the mathematical concept behind classification and logistic regression. This is about logistic regression. Next video we will be seeing how to code logistic regression in Python. Until then, it's me Vignesh here. Thank you.